And Arianna.
So today we're doing the
Smoothie Challenge! So how this game works is Ayoka's gonna get one of these paper, and for example, it says banana. I'm gonna put the banana into the blender and then get another piece of paper, and whatever it says, I'm just gonna get the ingredient and put in the blender. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
banana.
Lucky. Guava.
Fresh milk.
Yogurt. Yes! Yes! Put it in. Yeah, put it in.
I'm gonna get a small one.
Oh, condensed milk.
I hope I don't get carrot.
Okay, my turn. No! I got broccoli! Yeah!
Finally.
Okay, I'll just take a tiny piece.
Oh, I got watermelon. I'm gonna get a lot. Because I don't like carrot.
Watermelon. So I got watermelon, guava, yogurt, and broccoli and condensed milk.
So I got melon, banana, papaya, milk, and carrot.
So I'm gonna put this in the blender. Ew.
And also carrot.
Zero. Ew.
Oh.
And I'm gonna start first. Broccoli actually doesn't taste like anything, so this actually tastes good. I could taste broccoli particles.
Okay. Oh. It tastes bad.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Oh no!
That's gross!
I know.
Why can't you like it?
I can taste the carrot particles, which is bad. It just smells gross, and the melon makes it actually worse. More?
No? This actually tastes really good.
I like water.
So mine tastes like guava and watermelon, but a little bit of broccoli particles, so it's a little bit chewy. It actually tastes really good.
Mine is worse than hers. Here I have melon and carrot.
And papaya.
And papaya. Thank you. I hate three of them. I can't say any more words because it's really bad.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Like,
subscribe
turn on the notification bell,
and share this video.
and if you think I win, comment down below, #carrot is the worst.
If you think I win, comment down below, #broccoli and smoothie sucks.